Chickenpie.
Henry, get back in there and sit on those eggs!
Yes, my love. There's just so much a man can take.
The deuce on the tray. Oh, thank you.
Was it you that scared Chickenpie?
Who else? I ain't seen a dame yet I couldn't scare.
Say, you wouldn't mind being my guest for a while, would you, huh?
I might, if the cheese is right.
Oh, shut up, you old buzzard. I'll clip your wings and chop you down to a croquette.
If I could only get my hands on that chicken-hearted clock,
Mr. Katnip, leave me alone. Don't eat me. My mother loves me. Don't eat me. Please, Mr. Cat. I'm scared.
Watch this. Oh, boy. This is gonna be fun.
Please, Mr. Cat. Leave me alone. Don't eat me. My mother loves me. Don't eat me.
Sweetie, Chickenpie trying to frighten Herman. Ain't that the funniest thing you ever saw? The old dumb clucket. Huh?
Henry, I ain't had such fun since... Huh?
Now, Chickenpie. Oh, dear. This must be a bad dream.